In this video I'll show you how to do a privacy policy page for free in few seconds. So all you need to do is to go to this website. If you scroll down, you can see here privacy policy generator. Just type your company name. If you don't have a company register, enter your website name. Let's say Adstraca, your website name, again Adstraca, and your website URL. Now you press continue to the next step. Do you show advertise through Google AdSense on your website? Here depends of you. I say yes. Do you show advertise from third parties? Yes. Do you use cookies on your website? Yes. Now press generate, and here you have two options. You can copy as HTML, or you can copy just like a text. I hope you find useful this video. If yes, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time.